Say goodbye to your graphic design struggles. Uncover the secrets to harnessing Canva's extensive range of features, transforming your frustrations into triumphant creative accomplishments that enhance your brand, generate leads, drive sales, and establish strong connections. Tired of design challenges? Understanding the basics. If you are new to Canva, our series will guide you through the platform's fundamentals, such as creating an account, navigating the interface, and understanding the basic tools and features. Maximizing the tool's potential. Canva has a wide range of features, some of which you may not discover or fully understand on your own. Our product will expose you to these features and show you how to use them effectively. Time-saving tips and tricks. We include tips and shortcuts that can save you time and make your design process more efficient. Design principles. We include general design advice and principles that can improve the overall quality of your work. This can include tips on color combinations, typography, composition, and more. What are the crucial factors that can influence your bottom line's performance? Professional and eye-catching designs. By mastering Canva's design capabilities through the Practical Canva Tutorials course, you'll be able to create professional and visually appealing designs for your business. Stand out from the competition and leave a lasting impression on your audience with high-quality visuals that represent your brand effectively. Cost savings. With the ability to create your own designs, you can eliminate the need to hire expensive graphic designers or outsource design work. This leads to significant cost savings for your business, allowing you to allocate your resources more efficiently. Time efficiency. Practical Canva tutorial course helps you quickly grasp the ins and outs of Canva, enabling you to create stunning designs in less time. The course provides valuable tips, shortcuts, and best practices, streamlining your design process and freeing up time for other essential tasks in your business. Consistent branding. Establish a strong and consistent brand identity across all your marketing materials. The Practical Canva tutorial course teaches you how to create branded templates and utilize consistent color schemes, fonts, and imagery, ensuring a cohesive and recognizable brand presence that resonates with your audience. Enhanced engagement and conversion. Unlock the power of persuasive design by mastering Canva through our Practical Canva tutorial courses. The course equips you with the skills to create engaging visuals that grab attention, spark interest, and prompt action. Whether it's social media posts, infographics, or sales presentations, compelling designs produced by Canva can significantly boost audience engagement and conversion rates for your business. Are you ready to transform your visual content creations? Our comprehensive Canva series is specifically designed to help you tap into your creative potential and design like a pro, irrespective of your skill level. Beginning, advanced, or both. Whether you're just starting your Canva journey or you've been a user for some time, we're here to guide you. We aim to equip you with new abilities and help you achieve mastery over Canva's myriad of features. We help you learn in the fashion that you learn the best. We understand, everyone has a unique learning style. That's why we've diversified our approach, offering step-by-step instructions in various formats. Embrace them all to boost your proficiency and deepen your understanding of Canva. Here's what others are saying about us. Upgrade your Canva skills. The folks over at Practical Income Generation have created an excellent training series. Practical Canva Tutorials is a lifesaver for newbies, and extremely valuable for marketers at any level wanting to upgrade their Canva skills without any additional cost. This training blows away Canva's design school. By using the strategies I've learned inside of Practical Canva Tutorials, I now have the tools to take my business to a higher level. A++. Jumpstart your learning curve. If you're new to Canva, these videos will give you everything you need to get started. You'll be working like a pro in no time. You'll gain the benefits of all three: 1. Time savings, 2. Cost effectiveness, and 3. Enhanced profitability. Accelerate your journey to becoming a Canva master, saving valuable time and effort in the process. Take control of your projects by creating them yourself, further optimizing your time utilization. Experience cost savings by eliminating the need to hire external professionals for your project creations. Take charge of your own designs and keep your budget intact. Amplify your income potential by crafting compelling communications that captivate your audience, fostering immediate interaction and generating strong buy-in for your products. Harness the power of effective messaging to drive sales and increase your revenue. Invest in our Canva tutorial series now, and take the first step towards becoming your own graphic designer. With our guidance, not only will you create stunning visuals, but you will also empower yourself with a valuable skill that's in high demand in today's digital landscape. The time to design your future is now. Don't wait to transform your creative journey today. Our most asked questions. Got more questions? Ask us. Support and help. We've got a fully staffed help desk. If you have any additional questions, help is just an email away. Don't hesitate to contact us, support@positivelypractical.com. Facebook group. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products.